Welcome to another video from M3BIK, and on this video we're talking about the MVT-7100 and the power supply requirements for this scanner. So this is my scanner you can see on screen here, and it does tell us by the power socket that it is DC 12 volts that we need to power this scanner. Because this scanner is so old, a lot of people no longer have the original power supply, so we're going to talk about the power requirements for this scanner. So on screen I'm going to show you the size of the power socket. It needs to be 4 millimeters by 1.7 millimeters, and it needs to be 12 volts DC, and that is with the center pin being the positive. Okay, so that's the power requirements for the power adapter if you need to get one. You can also put 4 AA batteries in this scanner, alkaline or NiCad batteries, it tells us in the manual as well. The scanner will accept batteries as well. This is such an old scanner. My original power supply died many years ago, so I have been using different power supplies on this scanner. Anything above about a 1 amp or round about the 1 amp, 12 volt 1 amp is perfectly fine for this scanner. So what we're going to look at next coming up on this video is how much in real use the scanner actually uses from a power supply. So coming up on the screen now, we've got the scanner on, just scanning with the backlight on, and we've got 12 volts going in from my power supply, and we can see it's roughly fluctuating between 18 milliamps and roughly 20 milliamps according to the power supply. Now, according to the official manual, it uses between 10 milliamps and 140 milliamps. So if you get yourself a 1 amp power supply, minimum of 1 amp, that's more than enough for this particular scanner to work. Like I said, I've had this scanner since new in the 90s when these scanners first came out, and I've got through a couple of different power supplies, and I've had it on my bench power supply and various things over the years, and it always works perfectly well with the correct connector and the correct 12 volt power supply, minimum of 1 amp. There's a lot of them for sale on eBay and Amazon and places like that, but if you look for the size of the pin, which being is 4 millimeters by 1.7 for the power socket, you can't go wrong in ensuring you've got the correct power supply. Thanks for watching this video, everybody. Any questions, please let me know.